How are you all? Welcome to our channel. I am your trainer Parveen. If you are an English speaker and want to learn Hindi, then this channel is for you. In this channel we will teach you Hindi. Let's start. This is lesson 1. In this lesson we will learn about Hindi language alphabets. Hindi alphabets can be divided into 3 categories: vowels, consonants, and special letters. Vowels are a, I, U, ri, e, o, m, aha. Consonants are k, kh, g, gh, ch, ch, j, jh, ny, t, th, d, dh, r, t, th, d, dh, n, p, f, b, bh, m, y, r, l, v, sh, s, h. Special alphabets are sh, tra, nya, shra, ka, kha, ga, za, ra, dha, fa. In lecture 2 we will discuss the next useful lesson for Hindi speaking. Please leave a like, share and subscribe this channel.